You can even write, let's say, Excel formulas, right? So you might say that, let's say if you created one formula called test, right? Test calculation. So you can say, whatever, let's say this annual salary divided by, or actually times 0.088% of it, and you were trying to do some, division by 3 or something. So basically, and you can use any VLOOKUPs or anything basically, right? Any Excel formula will work, and you can replicate it all the way down. And basically, this will give you, and of course, this is all dummy data, but it's not your real data, of course, but you can do something like this. And then what happens is, now if I save this Excel, and then tomorrow I come back and refresh this Excel again, it will get this new data as it is effective tomorrow, and it will recalculate this calculation also, right? If I have VLOOKUPs or anything else going on, it will recalculate all those numbers, and it will present that new data to me, right? So you don't have to learn new syntaxes. If you already know Excel formulas, this will pretty much, get you going in no time, right? And same thing applies to charts. If you inserted some, charts within this, right? So for example, if you did something like this, and then you did an insert chart, then next time when you run this report, well, that's probably not the best example, but when you run this report, something like this, it will actually refresh these charts along with the new data that comes with it, right? So standard Excel functionality, all of this works basically, right? And again, this is an actual report that actually did a round trip with Fusion. So I ran it from Excel. It sent that report to the Oracle Fusion, let Fusion churn the data. Fusion sent the data back to the Excel, and then it refreshes all this data, including your calculations, including the charts, including any cell references if you might have across the sheets and things like that. All of that works.